Hey everyone, I'm going to do a video of my polished brass Hunter Mayfair ceiling fan. Manufactured the second quarter of 1988, and it was sold exclusively at Kmart. This is one of the earliest childhood Hunters that I remember. And it was much more common in the 5-bladed form, which they started making in 1990, I believe. This fan came just as you see it. I did nothing, absolutely nothing to this fan. No lights whatsoever, and it was one of my better finds at Goodwill. And it's in really good condition too. It has some blemishes, but nothing too horrible. I think this fan was well cared for. It might have been hung in a living room because there's no residue on the blades from like kitchen grease. And if you notice the switch housing, it looks like that of the earlier Hunter Studio series from the like mid 1980s. And then sometime like 1989, the Mayfair had the more common Hunter switch housing, which you'll find on the more common 5-blade models, which were launched in 1990, I believe. I do have a few like that, and one which is new in the box, or mostly new in the box. I think I hung it up here to test it once, but that's another story. But, you know, there's a reverse switch right there. It says Hunter right there. There's the unique rib sideband, which it's unique to the Mayfair models. And there's the canopy. I like how that canopy's got like, you can just twist it right in. You don't have to like screw the other side manually, just twist it right in. And I don't know why Hunter switched to the other kind, but you just kind of twist it in. You notice like where the screw is, it's got that little lip right there, and they all three slots do. Here's the teardrop vents, and it's walnut on both sides. Got the pointed edge. I don't know if you can see the tag of it. Yeah, this is like one of the earliest childhood Hunters, if I haven't already established that yet. And I saw these on display at Kmart in the late 80s. It was like off this cardboard display, like right where Kmart had, like, you had your fan display on a last board, and then like off to the side it was, the Hunter Mayfair was displayed separately. And they also came in white polished brass, antique brass, and polished brass like the one you see here. And I do have another one that you saw in another video, which is 4-bladed Mayfair. So this is like, I think this fan is what sold me on Hunters, if you believe it or not, next to the ever popular original. But anyway, back to the Mayfair, and let's rev it up, first on low. Run well and low. And by the way, there was a Subway, a local Subway, that had two of these just like this, flush mounted. But then when they expanded, they replaced with those common Regency MXXLs, I believe. Okay, medium. Feel a bit of a breeze on it, medium. But we'll bump it up to high now, shall we? One's really poised on high. Bearings sound good and everything. Feel that. So that bag's blowing right there, so that means that the fan's cranking out some good air. But now let's power it down, shall we? There. Like I said, this fan is a really good air mover. Okay, folks, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.